You want a cracker, please? Okay.
Yes.
Here's your cracker. I need a kiss before I give you the cracker.
This is why a kiss toes.
I'm not kissing your toes. No. Here, you want your cracker?
My kiss
I'm
toes.
not going to try to kiss your toes. Here, you want your cracker? Okay, you have to give me a kiss.
What about you kiss toes? You go kiss a toe.
Kissing your toe. Here, do you want...
Hey, I want you
Okay, give me a kiss and I'll give you a cracker.
to. Your kiss. Bum.
Oh, look at you, just want a cracker.
Oh my.